Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing some chain adjusters for the Grom behind me. Went with the NDC chain adjusters, so let's jump right into it. So I have the bike on stands, pretty much ready to go. I make this quick and easy. These adjusters from NDC, they look really nice. I will link them below and so everyone can kind of see how much they are and what it's about. But these look really nice. They look super simple. I'm going to throw these on and hopefully it's a lot better than these junky ones we get from the factory. Step one, we're going to take off the fairing here. I've already taken the bolts out, but I'm taking this off to clean everything and adjust the chain properly when I'm done. All right, so I'm going to get everything loose. I'm going to go ahead and pull everything out, and then we'll install these new ones from there, readjust the chain from there. I pulled the axle. I had to take my master link off just to get this chain out, but I pulled the axle, and when you pull the axle, I'm just gonna leave the wheel there. I kind of got everything in its order of how it came out. Just pull these right out. You can take these junky things and throw them to the side, and then we're gonna get the new ones in. All right, so here they are. On these, basically you slide them in. You're gonna tighten this top one. That's what holds it in. So just slide it in there. We'll get that top one tightened up. We'll do the same thing on both sides. All right, I got these installed. I got your, the top bolt here is tight, and then I've kind of adjusted this, but I'm gonna get the chain back on and we'll go from there. It's just one thing to keep track of when you do this is just make sure you got everything exactly how it came out on both sides. And then you should be good. All right, so I got everything back together, and then I'm gonna adjust these adjusters based on what the manual says, which is 35 millimeters. So per the owner's manual, we need 35 millimeters of slack right here. So as you can see, I am down just a hair below or above 35, a little closer to 40. But I have enough slack based on the owner's manual. So that's what I'm gonna go with. I think we're good. I got these installed, all good to go. Super easy to use, super easy to install. All right, I got everything back together. The chain is perfect. I just took it around the block and I actually had some noise from the chain being so loose before, so that completely went away. Yeah, so we're good to go. Again, this is really about all you need. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. There will be a lot more Grom content as I continue to